Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance are. And as we head into the weekend here, definitely want to get some overall levels updated here. First thing though, just house cleaning. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of a couple of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's lines everywhere and that can lead to confusion. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update though that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, talked about right around 33 cents as an area of support. But now that the price is below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what's played out here. A couple of times, price has tried to get up around that area and break through and hasn't been able to. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never ever break through 33 cents again. I'm just saying that, going into next week, that's definitely going to be that first key hurdle that needs to be cleared. The other level to keep a close eye on is not that far away from the red line, but that's the green line. Back to kindergarten for me and my colors, but that purple line there. And, this, again, same principle. This purple line wasn't level of support, but now that the price is below it, that would also technically be considered an area of resistance. So, again, as far as near-term and key levels of resistance that you want to see the price get back up above next week, 33 cents is going to be that initial level. Now, what about areas of support if this pullback continues? Next key overall level seems to be right here around 25 cents, which is essentially that gap close location right there. If 25 cannot hold, the next level after that would be the pink line down there, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, the price is doing a decent job of just maintaining here. And looking down at the volume has really dropped off. So you'll want to keep an eye on that too. You want to make, there's nothing wrong with it right now, but if volume stays low for too long, given this is a penny stock, people just lose patience very easily, and then they go chase something else with their money, that's getting more volume, and in order to get their money, they got to sell. And, that's just not good for anybody. So again, I'm not saying that, the low volume right now is a guarantee of anything, just something to keep an eye on. But all in all, pretty crazy week. We'll see if the bulls can bounce back next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.